Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In our QAQC document series, today we are going to understand one of the most critical and practical procedures in any quality system, document control procedure. In our previous videos, we have already covered role of a QAQC engineer, complete QAQC document list, project quality plan PQP, quality manual, quality policy and quality objectives, QAQC organization chart, roles and responsibilities matrix. All these documents are useless if they are not properly controlled. That is why document control procedure exists. What is document control procedure? Document control procedure is a systematic method used to control the creation, review, approval, distribution, revision, and storage of documents used in a project or organization. It ensures that correct documents, correct revisions, correct locations, correct people are always used. Why is document control important? Without document control, projects face serious problems such as use of outdated drawings, wrong specifications at site, rework and delays, audit non-conformities, contractual disputes. Document control procedure protects the project from these risks. Document versus record. Before going further, understand this clearly. A document is something that can be revised, like procedures, drawings, method statements. A record is evidence of work done and cannot be revised, like inspection reports, test results, checklists. Objective of document control procedure. The main objectives of document control procedure are ensure availability of latest approved documents, prevent unintended use of obsolete documents, maintain document traceability, standardize document flow, meet ISO 9001 requirements. Scope of document control. Document control procedure applies to company-level documents, project-level documents, internal documents, external documents, hard copies and soft copies. It covers the entire document life cycle. Types of documents. Typical under this procedure include quality manual, procedures and policies, project quality plan, method statements, ITPs, drawings, specifications, work instructions. Who controls documents? Document control responsibility usually lies with document controller, QAQC engineer, QAQC manager, project manager. Each role is clearly defined in the roles and responsibilities matrix. Document life cycle. Every controlled document follows these stages: preparation, review, approval, issue, distribution, revision, obsolete, archive. Let's understand each step. Number 1, preparation. Documents are prepared by competent personnel such as QAQC engineer, discipline engineer, consultant, contractor. Each document has title, document number, revision number, date. Number 2, review. Prepared documents are reviewed for technical accuracy, compliance with specifications, compliance with standard practical site applicability. Review is done before approval. Number 3, approval. Documents are approved by authorized personnel such as QA/QC manager, project manager, consultant, client. Only approved documents are allowed for use. Number 4, document numbering. Each document follows a unique numbering system which helps in identification, tracking, retrieval, revision control. Numbering format is defined in the procedure itself. Number 5, issue and distribution. Approved documents are issued to site teams, consultants, subcontractors. Distribution is controlled using distribution lists, transmittals. This ensures documents reach the right people only. Number 6, revision control. When changes are required, new revision is issued, revision number is updated, revision history is recorded. Old revisions are withdrawn to avoid misuse. Number 07, obsolete documents. Obsolete documents are stamped obsolete, removed from work locations, archived for reference only. This prevents accidental use at site. External documents. External documents include client specifications, codes and standards, consultant drawings. These are also controlled to ensure latest editions are used. Soft and hard copy control. Document control applies to soft copies, servers, emails, document systems. Hard copies, stamped and controlled prints, unauthorized photocopies are not allowed. ISO 9001 requirement. ISO 9001 clearly requires organizations to control documented information, maintain document integrity, prevent unintended use. Document control procedure fulfills this requirement. Common mistakes. Common document control mistakes include using old drawings, missing approvals, no revision history, uncontrolled photocopies. These mistakes lead to NCRs and rework. Practical example, imagine construction using revision 0 drawing while revision 2 is already approved. This can cause demolition, rework, financial loss. Document control prevents this situation. Relation with QAQC system. Document control procedure works together with quality manual, PQP, record control procedure, internal audit. It is the backbone of the QAQC system. In the next video, we will clearly explain record control procedure, where we will learn how QAQC records are identified, stored, protected, retained. If this video helped you understand document control procedure in a simple and practical way, please like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge. Keep in touch for more professional tutorials on QAQC documents. Thank you.